So what I've noticed with each and every entrepreneur that's sitting out here right now and us up here is what really sets us apart is where we're putting our time, where we're putting our focus. I remember when I first got started back.
From these guys, right? So
let's go back and think about this real quick, guys. The whole reason and what he's talking about, us all being out here, growing, building, etc., is we want you here. We want each and every one of you standing here with us, growing, grinding, building, right? So we're trying to put things together. We're giving away free things. We're jumping on here, and we're going to tell you our secrets tonight of how we got to where we are. And we're going to give you some ways, some strategies that you can jump in, use Patrick's software, get in the grind, compete against each other to make your next $10,000 a month, right? So what I've noticed with each and every entrepreneur that's sitting out here right now and us up here is what really sets us apart is where we're putting our time, where we're putting our focus. I remember when I first got started back in the day, I got so technical. I let the tech drag me down. How to build a website, how to go and get backlinks, how many citations do I need? What does the site look like? Should it be orange or blue? Like, you get stuck in so many things that are not money-making activities. And what I noticed that each and every entrepreneur here does is they hyper-focus on money-making activities. Right? So what is money-making activities? Money-making activities might be getting lines in the water. You guys all hear about Dan saying, hey, get as many lines in the water, yell from the rooftops, cold call, freaking shoot out email to screencast, right? Whatever you got to do, that's a money-making activity. That's going to produce you dollars. So Patrick has put together a really freaking cool contest. If you guys look below this video, you'll see a link inside the video. It's gonna allow you to sign up. Is that correct? Did you post that link?
We got it.
He might not have posted that link, so he's gonna post that in a minute. He's gonna post that in a minute. We're not the smartest guys in the world. We just outwork everybody, right? Like we jump in here and we make shit happen. So Patrick's gonna post that link here in a minute. You guys are gonna be able to get involved in this contest. And what I mean about getting involved is, like, don't fucking sit back. Stop getting technical. Get out of your own way. Get out of your own mind, because that's the shit that's holding you back. What's holding you back is your focus. What's holding you back is your mind, right? Your mind, just like mine. I'm no different than you guys. I come up with a bunch of problems that aren't real problems, right? It's like stories and facts. You got to learn how to break that shit apart and focus on what matters, which is your money. Your money matters, right? We can't get mad at our money, as Dan would like to say. So that's what we want to do with you guys here tonight. Some stories, guys. You guys see Ryan Escalera all the time, man. I've watched that dude over the last few days get out of his head. Like, I back in the day, 2 years ago, I was watching him super in his head, super technical. And then just in the last few days, I've watched this dude, just while we're sitting out here, just landing deals, phone call after phone call after phone call after phone call, landing deals, staying focused on money-making activities. So Mike, tell us a little bit about your journey, your money-making activities, like all that kind of stuff. I want everybody to kind of jump on.
I think one of the best ways to handle this live actually is post what you guys want out of this live tonight.
Yeah.
What questions do you guys have? That way I'm not rambling about some random thing, and you give us what you're looking to get out of this. That way we can serve you the best and make the most out of this hour, because you have a genius here and a genius here, and I'm sort of smart. He's a genius. He's a genius. So post in, because we can see on our phones here what you guys are posting. Mm-hmm. Posting what you guys want out of this hour. What questions do you have? And then we'll just riff on those and try to deliver the most value that we can for you guys. Absolutely.
So
and don't be shy.
Yeah. So Josh, you and I were talking the other day. So we're having a discussion at the kitchen table, and Josh has his own group, and he does a lot of his own coaching. So I was asking Josh, you have what is the key that you've noticed with the people in your group that are successful versus the one? And instantly you had one answer. You remember this conversation? Taking action.
I might have been drunk, yeah, but it's action for sure. Like, hands down, guys. And I tell everybody this: the difference between me and you may be sitting there, you may be brand new, you may not have a client, you may be here for 4 years, and maybe you have $2,000 or $3,000 a month coming in. But the difference between me and you, a guy that makes $380,000 a month, is action. It's the ability to wake up every single morning, like I said, and take massive imperfect action every fucking day on money-making activities. When I wake up, I'm looking for the next thing that I can do that produces me $1 every single day. All day long, right? And so that's the difference between me and you. Not a whole lot, because I'm not smarter than you. I promise you, I'm not smarter than you, right? And not like I went and got a college degree. I like to joke all the time that I got a degree from OSP, which is the Oregon State Penitentiary, but I promise you right now, I didn't get no degree. I'm not smarter than you. This is what it is, and you can take it how you want to take it, but it is massive imperfect action that sets you apart. It is you not taking the necessary action or focus on your business. Some of you are treating this like it's a freaking hobby, and this is a fucking business. So some of you need to get out of your own way, get in there, take action, and grind.